What are prepositions? They are words that show the relationships between other words, like to, at, in, on, and with. Let's look at some of these in example sentences. The girl ran to the store. To shows the direction in which the action is taking place. The boy stood at the door. At shows where the boy is standing in relation to the door. The dog is in the doghouse. In shows where the dog is in relationship to the doghouse. The cake is on the plate. On shows where the cake is in relationship to the plate. The woman drank coffee with her donut. With shows that the woman had coffee together with a donut at the same time. Can you think of any other common prepositions? Write some down and then share them with your neighbor and see what they got. Other common prepositions include above, below, beside, in front of, behind, and between. Let's practice these with some example sentences. The man is sleeping blank the trees. What preposition fits in the blank? Between. During an eclipse, the moon is blank the sun. What preposition fits in the blank? In front of. An airplane flew blank the house. What preposition fits in the blank? Above. The woman could not find her desk blank all her paperwork. What preposition fits in the blank? Below. The girl is sitting in a chair blank the window. What preposition fits in the blank? Beside. The car is parked blank the store. What preposition fits in the blank? Behind. Now that you have learned all these prepositions, you should be able to recognize them while reading and be able to use them in your own speaking and writing.